Hey guys, what's going on? I am still here in Minneapolis, but I got my Corvette Servo in. So I wanted to show y'all what the difference is. And some of you have seen this. This is a well talked about topic here. So this isn't anything new. I'm just putting my spin on it. Let's take a look at this. All right, let me slide these over here. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have two different servos. Basically what you have here is, this is the Corvette servo, and this right here is the truck servo. So the difference is actually, they talk about the surface, and they say that this one has a smaller surface area than this one, and you're looking at it, and this area looks bigger than this one, but they're not talking about that though. What they're talking about is the surface area right here along the lips right here. And as you can see, there's a bigger gap between the wall here and the edge of this than there is on this one. See, it's only, like, I don't have anything to measure it, but if you were to put them next to each other, let's see here, let's get a good view of this. No. But so as you can see, this one actually, you would think that this one has the bigger surface area even when you're looking at it this way, but you're not looking at it that way. You have to look at the space from the outside here to the inside here, not looking at this right here or this piece right here. I mean, technically you are looking at this because this one is a lot smaller than this one. So like this one can even fit inside there. This one is a 0.74 ratio, and this one is a 0.55 ratio. There is one in between that is I can't remember. It's a 0.68 or 0.63. I don't remember exactly. But it's in the 4L75. I believe that is what's in the Trailblazer. I'm not 100% sure on that. But so you can see that, and then obviously you have the different right here. This is where you really can see the size difference, how much smaller this area is compared to this area right here. So this is what's going to be going in. Boom, boom. So we can go ahead and put this thing together. Let's see here. Remember how it went back together first. So this piece, we can take this off right there, because this piece is actually going to go right here, and we're gonna have to, that's weird feeling. Hang on. There we go. There we go. So, and then we'll get this ring right here, and we gotta get this ring to go down up inside there, which I don't know how hard that's gonna be, but we'll find out together. It's not gonna be too bad, as long as I don't get any skin pinched up in there. This is probably not the way to do it, but it's the way I'm doing it. Oh, all right. All right, so it looks like I've gotten it to this point. All right, let's see if I can get it all the way on without... Oh, no, wrong way, wrong way. Ah, there we go. Got her seated on the new one. Whew. So, check it out. That's that part. Still need to put the top piece on. So this is this piece right here. I will be compressing another spring. This one's not nearly as difficult, I imagine. Especially since I've just did it right there. There we go. So that's that. Alright, and so we still have some O-rings and whatnots to put on there. And we have an O-ring to put on here. So let's see, that goes like that. And then this will actually end up going right here, but we're not worried about that right now. Let's see what we got here, guys. So this was the old one. This looks similar. So this one, I assume, is going to go right here. And that's it. And as you can see, it just kind of, that seam vanishes. And let's see if I can find it now though. Okay, the seam is actually right there. It's a good quality camera, so it probably shows it. So that's that. Let's see, it says on this bag here that the okay. In this particular kit, this O-ring right here is actually going to go right here. This is where the red O-ring, which weird, mine was black. So, but you don't want to get these mixed up. You don't want to accidentally put, you know, this one on right here and vice versa. So that goes right there. Set that aside. Right here, we'll go ahead and replace this O-ring too. Saying, why not? You know, it's really easy to do. Got all these new O-rings here. So that's that. Let's see, and one more O-ring right here. Boom, that one. Let's see if we can find that one though. I don't see it. Let me see what this one looks like. Oh wait, this isn't an O-ring. That's why. Oh, okay. It's one of those Teflon seals. Those split ones. Looks like that one. So it's this one right here. And, ooh, you know what though? That one didn't have, I forgot that this is the Corvette Servo and not the, I hope that one works. Let's see. Yeah, it does fit in there. Yeah, when I ordered this, I was like, well, I got the O-rings and everything for the rebuild kit. I don't need to get all that stuff, and I did not think about the fact that this is going to be smaller than this one right here. But luckily, because I was terrible at doing the rebuild kit, I had pieces that I didn't replace. And luckily, this one right here fit. It fit great, actually. See? Boom. Fits very snug, actually. I wonder how snug this one was fitting. Well, this one feels like it was worn out, though. This one fits. Yeah, that one fits good. So that's all of that. So then obviously this is gonna go down here, but this will go right there, and boom. We have us a new Corvette Servo. This only cost me $11.50 just for these two parts. Now if you're trying to put in this in a 4L60 that you have, you know, in a truck, you're gonna want to get the O-rings that come with it. Don't be like me. So just go ahead and get those and get the whole kit. You know, at least you don't need a new cover, obviously. 'Cause, I mean, unless you're really worried about the aesthetics of it being a red one or a brand new cap or a green cap or a blue cap. You know, I mean, yeah, I mean, if you care about that, then yeah, go ahead and get the kit. If you don't care about it, you can spend 11 bucks and, or probably a little more. I think it's like 15 or 16 bucks to get all the O-rings and everything to rebuild it and have the right O-ring that you need, or right Teflon seal, I should say. But other than that, this is it. I'm gonna put it in here in just a minute. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so as I promised, we were going to be installing that Corvette Servo into this slot right here. So what I have already done so far is I have taken this transmission fluid, got some on my finger, and I smeared it. I was playing with it, which was fun. So and then I also put some on the O-rings, each one of these. And so the next thing to do will be to put it here. So first thing I want to do is actually take this spring, because it's kind of hard to just keep it there. And then, so we have this, and we're going to take this, and whoop. Okay, so we're at this point. If you remember in the previous video, I had to take a pick and actually go in here and do a little number like this. Hang on, I'll show you what I mean. All right, so force. There's that. And we just gotta get just a little bit more. Let's see here. Where is that pin? Bam. This right here. And there we go. All right, and I just like to make sure that it's nice and pulled out and seated up against that, as I've shown here. You probably didn't see that, but yeah, I'm just pulling it out and making sure it's nice and seated, and that's it.
No. You go Gary? No. You seen Brendan or
back in the back. He might be coming in. That's it. So I got the clip on there, and yeah, that's all she is. Now I just got to put her in. So see you later, guys.